KMC Conquest controllers give you incredible flexibility, allowing you to easily use the controllers in a large variety of applications. The most versatile controllers in the Conquest lineup are the BAC 5900 series general purpose controller and the accompanying CAN 5900 expansion modules. The biggest reasons these are so versatile is their use of HPO-6700 series output override boards. These boards come in 5 varieties with 2 analog cards and 3 digital cards, each with their own distinct applications. It is extremely easy to install an output override board. Since they are hot swappable, whether the controller is powered or not, flip open the cover, locate the slot for the output you'd like to install the card for, pull out the jumper located in the slot, and insert the card. All override boards come standard with a convenient hand-off auto switch, giving you manual access to an output when it's needed. Hand activates the output's power. Off deactivates the output's power, and auto runs the output's application programmed into the controller. Each override board has a red LED indicating when power is being supplied to the output. But remember, this doesn't necessarily mean the output of the equipment is on or off. For instance, if your output is connected to a normally closed relay and you turn the handoff auto switch off, you've just turned on the equipment. So like anything, make sure you fully understand each controller setup and you'll quickly realize the incredible benefits of these cards. Unique to the 2 analog override boards, an adjustable potentiometer is also included, which is extremely useful for manually setting and testing analog outputs, such as damper position or valve positions. Turn it counterclockwise to decrease the output and clockwise to increase it. We've created a couple videos about wiring with override boards, so check those out. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.